Hi, thanks for tuning into the Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you a few things about the Hyundai Tucson. This is a 1.6 litre diesel, and if you buy one of these you might like to know what's underneath the bonnet. So let me show you today how to open the bonnet and a few of the components underneath the bonnet. Right, so your bonnet release catch is in the driver's side underneath the steering wheel, and you'll see it here. So just give it one pull and you'll hear the bonnet click. So at the front of the bonnet there's quite a wide paddle that you lift. You'll see it here, and this is your catch release. Okay, then you need to put this up. So you see it's quite a small engine for the size of the front of the car. There's a lot of empty space, so it's possibly quite easy to work on. So we'll start here. This is your battery, nice and easy, positive negative terminal. So here you see lots of fuses and relays, and this is your diagram. Okay, this is your filter. This seems so efficient on how to change. You've got your two little things and it just clicks. No tools at all required to change your air filter. This is your air intake. It comes down here. This is your diesel turbo, the little turbo here, no touchy. So we'll move over. This is your oil filler cap. Okay, so oil related. This is where your oil filter is going to be housed. So you'll remove that, and there's a paper, corrugated paper filter in there. It's your dipstick. So this is your windscreen washer fluid. This is your engine coolant. It's using the blue coolant. You never mix pink and blue. And this is your brake fluid. It says .3 or 4. That means you wouldn't mix the .3 or 4. So if you completely drain the system, you can fill it with either .3 or 4, but you don't mix .3 or 4. We'll lift this up. We'll have a quick look under. This is just a cover, and it just pops up like this. Okay. So your common rail. These are your injectors, but really very little will have to be done on this. If you see anything pooling here in these wells and you want to bring it to your mechanic, one of your injectors might be loose or leaking, and then to replace this, all this molded sound baffling, just click it back on. Okay, well, I hope that helped. If you're a new owner to a Tucson and you just wanted to get a bit more familiar with the car that you're driving, I hope that helped. Support our channel by hitting that subscribe button, by hitting that like button. Thanks very much. Have a great day.